and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add page number in Microsoft Word. So first, open your Word document, then go to the Insert tab and click on page number. Here you can add the page number in the top, the bottom, in page margins, or in the current position. So I will add the page number in the bottom. Here you have multiple options. Simple, accent bar, page X of Y, plain numbers, or large numbers, and many other options. So I will select this option, for example, click on it. And now, as you can see, the numbers have been added. So if you want to add or to start the page number in from a specific page, let's close or let's undo the changes first. Let's add another page. Now to start, for example, the number in from this page, go to Layout, then click on Breaks and select the next page. Now go to Insert, then click on Page Number and select bottom of the page, and let's add this one. Now uncheck this one to unlink it to the previous, and go to the other pages and delete the numbering. Then go to the page where you started your numbering and click on update field, or right click on the number, then click on format page, select start add and select one, then click on OK, and that's it. Now you know how to add number page in Microsoft Word. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.